Hello friends, I am Dr. Vikas Sharma, MD of Soul Physiotherapy Rehabilitation Center and Research Institute. Today I am demonstrate the mobilization of C0-C1, C1-C2, C2-C3. C0, it means the occipital condyle mobile upon the C1. For performing this process, we are taking a towel roll and position next to the patient like this. Position back is resting upon your leg. We are take a towel like this and support the head like that. First we are stabilize the transfer process of C1. Palpate the vertebra segment. This is C1, C2, C3. Come closer to the camera, please. This is C1, C2, C3. First we are stabilize the transfer process of C1 like that. Palpate the occipital condyle, and this joint is called atlato-occipital joint. Palpate the occipital condyle and stabilize the transfer process of C1. Stabilize the head like this. We are taking another hand like that, and we are giving the mobilization like this. This is 1 to 2 oscillation per second. It is the speed of mobilization. The mobilization side is dorsal to the spine. After that, we are giving the mobilization C2 to C1, C1 to C2. First we are stabilize the transfer process of C2 vertebra like this. We are hold the occipital condyle like this and giving the mobilization this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is the speed of 1 to 2 oscillation per second. After that, we are giving the mobilization or performing the mobilization C2-C3. In this process, we stabilize the transfer process of, please come closer to the camera, stabilize transfer process. This is C1 spinous process, C2, C3. This is the C3 spinous process of the cervical vertebra. We are stabilize the transfer process of C3 vertebra, taking the head like this. Performing this process C2 to C3 mobilization, first we rotating, side bending and slightly extension like this. Speed is same, 1 to 2 oscillation per second. This is the 3 mobilization C0, C1, C1, C2 and C2, C3. For performing C2, C3 mobilization, first we are rotating the head, after that bending and slight extension, and performing the extension, the mobilization is perfect.